What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Top Drives. You are with me here, Chris, and in today's video we are gonna go for more events, and we are looking at from what I can see, we have the daily events, we have the Formula Fun, the Geneva Showcase, and also the 90s. Now on the 90s rank 65, I was actually being beaten pretty badly over here, but I think 65 is still okay because I'm still above the top 100, which means I will be getting the final plastic. Oh my god, that's not a good one. Alright, so I'm gonna go for this particular event, the TBT Dust Storm. TBT Dust Storm, yep, there you go, on the 90s car. So let's go for this, and I'm gonna change, putting all those 90s, and this is gonna be the you know, I'm gonna put like that and just filter like this. Awesome, there you go. So this is the couple of cars that I'm gonna have. There you go. So hopefully this works. I'm just putting all those 4 points something. I'm not sure if this is gonna work well as well. TVR. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this guy over here. Alright, at least I'm satisfied a little bit. So let's go for this race. Oh no, look at it, everything is on dirt. Not good. So I'm gonna put against with the lowered car, so they will have some issue on running since I'm already here. Okay, Twisty Road. I'm gonna put this guy over here. Slalom test. I'm gonna put this guy over here. I'm gonna put him here. Ooh. Alright, hopefully we can beat this guy. Okay, we have some good runs so far against with the Porsche 968 Club Sport. So far so good, I would say. So I'm not really having some good four-wheel drive. I'm not really sure, but I think I have to look again. If I'm not mistaken, I do have a Subaru four-wheel drive, the 90s, the Forester version, I think. Need to really check on that. Let's see, Mitsubishi Lancer is going to take over the rear-wheel drive BMW 33OD. Look at it. Right, give me the numbers. Give me the numbers. There you go. Crossing the 2-star. Almost there. Almost there. So hopefully the Lotus will take over there. You go west expected. What's Alright, we break the 3-star. So 4-wheel drive Skyline will be taking over the Z28. Go, look at that. Whoa. Alright. That brexing. Okay, I'm gonna accept that. Right, so clearly we can see that it's all gonna be on a four-wheel drive. So I'm gonna change a little bit. Let's see, I'm gonna sell this off. I need all cash. Let's see if we have some four-wheel drive. There you go. So one four-wheel drive Subaru Forester, that's 9.8 second. We have the Land Rover. Yeah, that's all. Need to plan something. How do I do this? It's a bit weird on my collection. Any else four-wheel drive over here, or should I just continue taking the risk? Oh, there you go. This is 5.2. So we have 4 4-wheel drive and 1 rear-wheel drive. That I'm gonna store for. Oh, we do have 1 hill climb. Oh my god, look at that. Alright, I'm gonna put this. Okay, let's see. And he actually put twisty circuit for the McLaren. How was that? Oh my god. Okay. Let's see, motocross track. Not so good as I expected. SLALOM test. G-force test. Twisty circuit. I'm gonna put this guy on the hill climb. This is gonna be a little bit funny. Wait. Yeah, I got no choice. I'm not sure who's gonna win this. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do Ford Sierra. Come on. Oh my god, come on, settle this. Ooh. No. Alright. Awesome. Seriously, I did not expect that. I really did not expect that. Okay. The Audi against the Volvo 850. Right, the Volvo can see that it has good traction. It's of course a 4-wheel drive on the Audi S4, and the Volvo is on front wheel drive. What am I saying? What the hell? Okay. The Lancer should be taking this pretty easy. Go. Thank you. At least I should gain a 1 star if anything occurs on the final race, since it's gonna be the hill climb. Look at that. The McLaren is actually doing quite well in having the grip. Of course, it's 92 of grip that it has on the car, but still doing quite well. Look at that. Wow. The numbers. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. So this is gonna be an epic one. There you go. Oh. Yep, that's a DNF. Both is a DNF. Thank god I stayed in 3 star. Awesome. Wow. Alright, 39. That's a good number at least. So that should put me in the steel. I really want to go as high as possible. So we have all 4-wheel drive over here. This is one 4-wheel drive, sorry, 2 4-wheel drive. I'm gonna take this as an advantage. So I'm gonna place Ford Sierra over here, SLALOM test. I'm gonna put this guy over here, G-force test. Come on. G-force test. Yeah, that should be doing like this. Again, I'm placing the Lotus test on the area which it could not perform at all, but that's basically to play safe, to ensure that other races I'm fully conquering. Oh, come on, Ford Sierra, come on. No. Right, crossing that. Doing a little bit strong. Be some numbers over here. Give me at least almost 200. Come on, take that. Oh, no. Right, slow test. Come on, Lancer, you can do this. Ooh, look at that. That Audi just was kicking for a second. Alright, I do not know why, but this time around I feel that I'm gonna lose this just because of the hill climb. Hopefully I can beat at least more than 250, at least 260. And that Merc is like tailgating. Come on Audi, show the Merc. Look at that. Ooh, that's a close one. Right. I'm gonna carry just a 1 star, trust me guys. Look at that. Yep, there you go. So there's gonna be 1 star. Ooh, drowning. Well, at least I got something better than nothing. So right now on the 33 of the overall standing. Up, only 1. Well, still got a hit. Looking at those people really pushing it. Well, I'm just 6 out of 6, but still, I would say it's still okay. At least I get a pack, but I want to move more. Let's see, gonna sell this. We have lots more to go, and hopefully we can beat that soon. TBT Dust Storm. If any of you guys would wish to do this, you can actually buy on cash and also on gold. I'm not sure if I should be doing this one more time. I don't know, I'm just thinking a lot. Alright, you know what? I'll be stopping for now. Just making sure that I'm gonna have my dinner, and I'll be coming back to do more races on this. But again, I'll be wrapping up this video right now. So stay tuned guys in the next upcoming video where I'll be bringing you the next event. But of course this is gonna last for 1 day and 8 hours more to go, which tomorrow of course subsequently I'll be racing. Of course the daily events right now I'm just ranking on 36. I'll be having, let's say, steel or so that's on the daily event, but the TBT Dust Storm, that is what we are looking at this very moment. Alright guys, so with that I'll be wrapping up this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the most. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, like the video down below, leave your comments as usual, and I'll get back to you. So with that, I'm Chris and this is Top Drives, and I'm out. Peace.